Hello everyone. In this video I'll be doing a review of the new iced cold brew roasted hazelnut flavor from Tim Hortons. So they have the new roasted hazelnut lattes, and you can also get this in their cold brews. So kind of cool new drink. I'm excited to try this one out for you guys. I think it's new, like very new, like maybe today new. I didn't see this before until now, so I got it here today. And hazelnut things are usually pretty good. I like it when it's paired with coffee because it tastes very nice and sweet. It's got like a nice like pairable flavor to go with coffee. So I'm gonna have this here. And you got a good heavy cream in that, but the flavor of the hazelnut is just like really good. It's nice and light, but also like kind of nutty. If you had hazelnut before, you know what I'm talking about. It has a similar hazelnut flavor to it, but it's not too overpowering, which I find a lot of hazelnut drinks, they get like quite strong with their flavoring, that it gets kind of gross, but this one's quite good. So got a nice flavor to it, tasted great, and yeah, it's quite unique for a cold brew. I haven't had a hazelnut cold brew before, so I think that's a first. I like it, it's good. As you can see, this one's quite creamy, so that might be why it tastes so good. And it kind of maybe numbs the taste of the hazelnut, but hazelnut's there, just not super strong. And I like it, honestly. Oh, one more sip, I'll give my final review. Yeah, so the hazelnut, or the Tim Hortons roasted hazelnut ice cold brew, I'd give that like an 8 out of 10. It tastes good. It's got that hazelnut flavor to it. It's not too strong, but not light either. It's just enough to give you that satisfaction to have the hazelnut in there. It's pretty good. I liked it. It was not too bad. Nice, icy, creamy, and good. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I will see you in the next video.